Hey guys, we are back with another video. We're going to do something a little bit different today. I'm going to do an unboxing of all the cool swag I got at the Adobe MAX conference. This video is sponsored by Adobe and Adobe Express. And this video is kind of just for fun, just to go over all the different stuff. Obviously, the first thing is this sweatshirt. It's the official Adobe MAX sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is so thick. It's got this little Adobe detail here, the logo here, and then in the back, just a big Max logo and the words Adobe Max in Los Angeles. And this sweatshirt's so thick. I live in Connecticut, so I'm freezing all the time. Was really, really excited to get this and be able to take it home with me. It's currently snowing outside and in the 30s, so this is awesome. And I got like a whole pile of stuff, so I'll just quickly go through everything that I got. You see my cat in the background? He's full psycho. He's probably gonna be just running around right now. You might see him go in and out. He's excited because there's like stuff on the floor, and I think that just makes him go nuts. So the first thing that I got is these Google socks. How fun is that? It's got the Golden Gate Bridge on it, and they say Google Cloud up here. I don't know too many people that have Google socks, so that was really cool. Another warm accessory for freezing me in the Northeast here. The next thing I got, that's one of my favorites. These are my favorite things. This is my phone case. It's not on my phone right now because I'm currently filming, but it has this Adobe Acrobat like suction cup thing, and this is for sticking your phone to like a window so you can get really primal lighting if you're trying to film a video. I did that the other day when I filmed the reel. You just like slap your phone in the window, hit record. You don't need a tripod, you don't need anything, and it will stick to other surfaces too, like walls, car window. Thing's amazing for that. And it's just like when you're holding your phone, it's like a sensory experience. I realized too, like I just like to like play with little suction cups. It's fun. It's a whole experience. So love that. See what else. This is my by far my favorite thing I got. It is this denim hat. It's TikTok. I don't even use TikTok to be honest, but this hat is probably like my favorite hat. I just never thought of a denim hat. I don't know why. I've like never even seen one or like thought of one. But I just like love the vibe of this. Like TikTok aside, it's just so cute with jeans and like a jacket. I love it. I like wish I took more of them because I just really, really love it. And this was at the Creator Live event. A lot of those stuff, but they just had like a table, a table where you could take all these different pieces of swag with Adobe partners, and very cool setup. Very fun. So let's see what else we've got. They give us these little like bags. It's like a little clear bag to take your stuff in, and more like swag from the Creator Live. These little dog keychains. This is a ring light. So it's a little ring light that goes onto your laptop. It says Adobe on it, obviously. And it just kind of clips on your laptop. I'm excited to use that. You can use that for like filming or calls. Very cool. See, what else have we got here? Just more keychains. Another little keychain there. And then there's so many tote bags. You can get like a tote bag for absolutely everything. Like you'll never need a tote bag again after you go to Adobe Max. This is just standard tote bag you can pick up at the conference. There's all different events and booths that you can go to, which you can find tote bags, many tote bags. This one was Adobe and Home Depot partnered together. An apron. So I think it's for like crafting. It would probably be good for that. It's not really like a tool belt that you would work on your house with, but for a crafting project, scrapbooking, cooking, maybe even, it would be really cool. It would be fun to use. Another hat, Adobe Firefly hat. You can never have too many hats, I've realized, but nothing's ever gonna top this hat. It's like my favorite hat ever. We got this bag. Adobe and Sharpie, and this went with one of the booths where you could draw a monster. I posted about it in my stories. And then we could use Adobe Firefly to bring the monster to life, so the monster would be able to walk or dance or whatever you wanted him to do just from a flat paper. So it was really cool to turn that sketch into AI. It can really show you what AI is capable of and can do, and it was a cool display for that. This little suitcase guy, super cute. He's from the Ambassador Summit, the Express Ambassador Summit. Then we got, these are also both from the Ambassador Summit. This is a notebook. Just a standard notebook. Then we've got this Future of Creative Work magazine. Another notebook here, just for sketching, drawing, kind of a blank notebook. And then in this tote bag, the Adobe and Sharpie partnership, we've got all these Sharpies. These are not regular Sharpies. They're like, they draw on anything, like a paint Sharpie. You can kind of see them. Focus. They're all different colors, like a paint Sharpie. And that's what we use to draw the monster. These will write on any surface, so metal, plastic, paper, cardboard. I tried to get like every color, so I'd have a good assortment here. It's really fun. Or art projects, or drawing. And kind of a different kind of Sharpie that I've never seen before. We got a little sticker packet from the Ambassador Summit. Haven't really opened it yet, but we have a big sticker wall downstairs, and I will definitely be putting some of these stickers on there. Tons and tons of stickers. Just in general, they had people, just a lot of creators created stickers and were just kind of passing them out. You know, have at it. Like, these are so cute. I love them. All of them are just super cute. I love this overwhelmed one. Sometimes can relate to that. Just really cute. Oreo cookie, Peter. So many creative stickers that people came up with and just passed out. Like, 31 Palms doesn't really do stickers, but if it did, it would have been fun to pass that out. A lot of creators are doing that. And they even included a little like first aid kit. I took it out, but who does not Tylenol, Advil, and Band-Aids? Like, I thought that was just, it was actually in here originally. There's like a little pencil pouch. Reminds me of kind of middle school, or like what I would bring around in my little trapper keeper. Guess I'm gonna be like that I'm a 90s kid. But that was in here, and I just thought it was like a nice touch in case you got a headache or you got a cut or something, just to have that. And other than that, we just had a couple of extra stickers. These are my pictures from the photo booth. I put them on my stories, just like a little Adobe MAX photo booth for the Ambassador Summit that we had. So I have that in here too. And that is pretty much all the swag I got. Like I said, like way more than I was expecting to get at the conference and the summit. Something else in here, I don't know what it is. Oh, some hand sanitizer. Don't want to go without that. And lip balm. Always need that. So it was really thoughtful of them to like put those essentials in there. And then I just kept it all in this tote bag. There's like so much, I can't even carry it. Put it all back in here. So that is it, you guys. Like, that is my haul from the Adobe MAX conference and the Adobe Ambassador Summit, Express Ambassador Summit. Super fun time, like super grateful to be able to get those opportunities. Like, sometimes it's like, was that really me that's getting to go on like brand trips and getting these opportunities? And yeah, I guess it really was. Like, it's such an honor to be able to do that, and just really cool. Like I said, you never know what you're gonna get when you put yourself out there in any kind of way or push your work out there. I started as just a freelancer in my hometown and, you know, working with local clients, and the expansion for me didn't really come until I got on Etsy, I think, and got this like worldwide exposure to my products and built my own website out. from that and got the exposure through that enough for brands to actually come out and find you and find value in what you're doing, even if it's like not their platform right away, since a lot of my templates do focus on other platforms, but like what can I learn and what can they learn from me? So you really never know where a brand partnership's gonna come from. You don't need like 10 million followers or whatever to do that. You just need to put your work and yourself out there. So that's what I'm gonna leave you with, and that's what I'm gonna leave this haul with. I think my favorites are the sweatshirt and this hat. Tell me that this isn't cute. It's so cute. That's it for this one, guys, and I will see you. That was my cat sneezing. Bless you. I will see you guys in the next one.